Once you open the box, you will get 5 pieces MDF board and 5 spots. There are 4 obtuse angle poster. Look like this, not straight one. And you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 right angle poster, and these are the side beam. These are also front beam. This is short side beam. You will also get 2 packs of floor caps. Actually, this one no use. You can remove it. We use this bag. You can touch it. This one is a soft one. We just use this bag. And here is the menu. That's what you will get after you open the box. Okay. Now we will assemble the shelves. First, pick up the right angle post. Or you can use a hammer, beat it. This is the obtuse angle post.韩哥，你慢一点组，你慢一点，以防他们。OK， 你继续。
我一直买。
我知道，待会儿我会拍一个特写。OK， 一停，靠边儿。See, this is the rock shelf. Straight one, straight one, straight one. We will assemble the second layer now. OK， 你们再组第2层。等一下，你就是。Use this one, see there's a hole, put inside, then push down. Okay, this is the second layer. Now we'll try to assemble the third layer. Actually, the third layer it's just like the connector. Okay, this is the spot beam. You can see there is a hole. Okay, this is the spot beam. Each layer the same. Here is the hole. Okay, in this way, so 5 layers. 好，我们再放第3层，第3层就是那个2个连接了，对吗？
我这把那个拿下。
We put on the MDF board. Actually, each layer the same, alright. Now we will connect 2 parts. 好，你放过去。This one no connectors, but we just use the 3rd layer. Connect the 2 parts. See, this one connect the 2 parts. So it looks like this. See, this is the 3rd layer. Connect the 2 parts. Look like this. So we will put on the MDF board and connect the others. 这就好了。OK， 继续第3。
把它放上。
Put on the MDF board. This is the 4th layer. Just press down. This is the front beam. Okay, then we put on the support beam.
不用穿了，直接
上。
哦。
Actually, you can see there is a hole. There is a hole. There is a hole. You just put the beam inside. Then we put on the MDF board. Okay, the fourth layer finished. Now we're going to finish the last layer. When you assemble the shelves, you can see big hole, small hole. Make sure the small hole is at downside. Pull this one from the big hole, then push down. Slide into the small one so can lock it. Then we put the last MDF board on the last layer. That's it. Perfect. Okay, now we'll put on the floor cap. Yeah, do it. You can see the support beam. Actually, each layer different direction. It's like a cross. This way, this side, another layer, the other way. Looks like a cross. You can see actually these floor caps put on the obtuse angle post. It is a soft one, easy for you to fix it. Say, you can put on this. This is straight one. It's also straight one. Okay, that's it. 下面不要放，不要放。The third layer actually is like a connector, connect the two parts. So you can store the corner shelves into the corner. Perfect.